Welcome! Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn on your active status on Facebook. This feature lets your friends and connections know when you're online and available to chat. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Locate the familiar blue icon with a white F on your home screen or app drawer, and tap it to launch the app. Next, head to the menu. You'll find this by tapping the three horizontal lines, often located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open a list of options for managing your Facebook account. Now scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Under the Audience and Visibility section, look for an option labeled Active Status. Tap on it to proceed. This is where you can manage whether others can see when you're active on Facebook. Finally, toggle on Show when you're active. Simply tap the switch so it turns blue or green, indicating that your active status is now enabled. Once this is done, anyone who views your profile or chats with you will see that you're online when you're using Facebook. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on your active status on Facebook. This small change can make it easier for friends and family to connect with you in real time. If you ever want to turn it off again, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting off. Thank you for tuning in. Stay connected and enjoy using Facebook.